Thank you American customers for ordering 200 EA640F2 large screens from us. EA640F2 Indoor LED Display is a product with extremely stunning visual effects, designed for indoor fixed installation. Its LED module, power supply, and receiving card are all front-mounted, making daily maintenance more convenient. Without disassembling the entire screen, users can easily repair and replace it from the front, greatly improving maintenance efficiency. The excellent display effect and high brightness of EA640F2 make it an ideal choice for advertising displays, conference rooms, exhibitions, and other places. Whether it is high-definition pictures or fine details, it can be perfectly presented. Thank you again for your trust and support from American customers, and look forward to continuing to provide you with high-quality LED display solutions in the future.